I'm going to do a little hand type, clean off my hydrangeas and start crisscrossing my stems. Watch this. In a matter of minutes, some lovely blush pink hydrangeas. There, that's a red so far. I'm going to add some stock. Now watch what I do. I just switch hands. That is key. Switching hands back and forth. Looking at the top of your bouquet. Stop looking at your hands. Look at the top. So now I'm adding some white stock. Switch, throwing in some tulips right in there. The first spring tulips of the season. More tulips over here. Looking down at my bouquet. Deciding I want more stock because I love stock. Some flying anthuriums, blush pink. These are really pretty. Check that out. We use a lot of those in school during tropical class. I'm going to work in some more stock. It's laying there, I use it. There's some more stock. Right there. And some more anthurium. I'm trying to dig into those anthuriums that I love so much. That's where I'm at so far. Now I'm going to finish it off by balancing on this side with a little more stock. Maybe another stem of blush pink. Gianni Versace said, less is less. And then maybe just to remind me of the walls of Notre Dame, I'll drop some ivy. Flower School 101. Join us in class. You will love it.